Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Workday for employees, fast access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type the Workday URL provided by your organization. Press enter to navigate to the Workday login page. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will now see the login fields. In the first field, enter your official email address or username. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. If you struggle to remember your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Once you have entered your credentials, check the Remember Me option if you are on a private device. Now, click the blue Sign In button to access your Workday account. Wait a moment as the system processes your login. Upon successful login, you will be directed to your Workday dashboard. From here, you can access your pay information, benefits, and other resources. If you encounter any issues during the login process, refer to your IT support team for assistance. Always ensure to log out of Workday when finished, especially on shared devices. You have now completed the login process to Workday. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.